Okay, so if you haven't yet backed up your stuff to Google Drive, now's a good time to do it because it's all going to be gone after the break. So to do that, first I'm going to make sure that my video is saved. So I'm going to go File, Save. Great, it's saved. Lovely. And I need to back up the project file. I need to back up all the video files, all the music, everything that I've made for this project. So the way that I'm going to do that is first, I'm going to go over to Google Drive, and I'm going to click on New, and I'm going to create a new folder. And I'm just going to call mine Video Project. I'm going to create that, and it should pop up at the bottom of my list here. There it is, Video Project. Okay. And right now it's empty. Of course it is. And I want to get my stuff up in there. So what I need to do is actually access the File Explorer in Windows. There's lots of ways to do it. The way I'm going to do it is using a keyboard shortcut. I'm going to hit the Window key. If you look down at your keyboard to the left and right of your space bar, you should see a key that looks exactly like this little Start button on the bottom of your screen there. So I'm going to hold that and then press E, and that brings up my Windows File Explorer. And I know that for pretty much all of you, all your video stuff is going to be in your Downloads folder. So here's all my stuff, my videos and my music, and I'm just going to take it. Oh, and I'm going to select it. The way I selected this here is I clicked the top one, I hold down Shift and click the bottom one, and it also selects everything in between. Handy. I'm going to click that, drag it over there. You know you're doing it right because it says drop files to upload them to Video Project. Boom, done. While those are uploading, I need to go in search of my actual project file because that's the most important part. I mean, you want to upload everything, but honestly, if you want to choose whether you lose your footage or your project file, you're better off losing your footage because you can always go back to Pexels and re-download it. Anyway, let's go back to our File Explorer. Now, my project isn't in here, but for you, most of you, it is going to be in your document folder under Adobe. And then you're going to see Premiere Pro. Double click there. And yours, I think, should say 14. Mine says 23. I have a newer version of Premiere Pro, but same thing. And yeah, there it is, Cats Video. So same process. I'm going to click, I'm going to drag, I'm going to drop. And that's in there. And now I've backed up my project. It's good to go. It will not be deleted when they wipe the hard drives over the November break.